Hello and welcome, my friend. As every weekend, we came to analyze for you the Forex market and the opportunities also we saw. So, if you are interested, you can join us and turn the bell notification to receive every time our latest updates. And if you are a subscriber with us, go down and smash that like button and write for us a comment to support us. And if you are someone who is still searching for a trading strategy that works, in the first comment, as you see it now in the picture, you're going to get a 85% discount coupon link to one of the best selling courses in Udemy. By the way, the course is it costs $200, but if you're using that coupon link, you're going to get 85% discount. So the course is going to cost you only $13. So if you are interested to learn, you can join that course. That course is going to teach you everything you want about trading. It's going to teach you money management. It's going to teach you how to open brokerage. Everything is in that course, and even a proven trading strategy in that course. So go now and join the course. I think everything is too clear, my friend. So let's start our lesson of today, my friend. So guys, the first pair we got is the EURUSD. And the EURUSD, if you remember last week, we used to be here exactly. What I told you is going to go till it touching here the upper of the channel. What happened here, if you see, it go from here till here. So now you make very decent profit, my friend. What my view to it is going to make a small correction like that. Then it's going to continue till it touching here. Then from here it's going to fall down again down here. Everything is too clear. The levels we got, my friend. First level here, 107974. Another level here, 106639. Another level here, 105725. Another level here, 104585. Another level here, 103173. Everything is too clear, my friend. So let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. Also used to be here exactly in that level. What I told you it's going to go here. What happened here in the real time? It go up till it touching here. Then it go out like that. Then it return here. It's not to give you here divergence, a small divergence. If you see it here. But me, I think it's going to go back up. Then from there it's going to return down, brothers. Everything is too clear, my friend. So that's it for the EURUSD. The other pair we got, my friend, is the cable, my friend. And the cable we used to be here last week. I told you from here it's going to go up till it touching here that level. What happened now? It went up till here. It retraced like that. Then it went back till here. What's my view to it? My view to it will continue till it touching here. Then from here, when it touch here, my friend, it's going to fall down again. Everything is too clear. You get the picture, my friend. The levels we got, my friend. The first level here, 1.29086. Another level here, 1.27432. Another level here, 1.26494. Another level here, 1.24759. Another level here, 1.22665. Another level here, 1.19614, my friend. And that one, as I told you before, that one here is the last level yearly, my friend. Everything is too clear. You get the picture. So, my friend, let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you. Last week we used to be here exactly. I told it's going to come up till here. Then from here, look what happened. It came down outside like here till here. Then from here, my view is going to return till here to give you a divergence here. Then from there you enter short like here, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. Nothing hard, nothing complicated. So that's it for the cable, my friend. The other pair we got, my friend, is The Aussie, my friend, and the Aussie last week we used to be here exactly. I told you it's going to come up till here, where it came near to it. My view is going to continue till it touching here. Then from there is going to drop again, my friend. Everything is too clear, nothing hard, nothing complicated, my friend. Levels we got, first level here, 0.71837. Another level here, 0.71011. Another level here, 0.70078. Another level here, 0.69129. Another level here, 0.68563, my friend. Everything is too clear. So, let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. Last week we used to be here exactly, my friend. And if you are someone who's been following us, I told you to enter buy from here, from down here. Exactly from that level here. But if you just came and you enter from here, you make profit, my friend. It came till here, but it doesn't touch here. Just here, it came outside like that. My view is going to continue to go back up till it touching here. Then from there, it's going to drop, my friend. Everything is too clear. So that's it for the Aussie, my friend. The other pair we got is USD Japanese yen, my friend, and the one we used to be here. Told is going to fall down till it touch here. What it did, it fall down till here. It's near, but it doesn't. My view to it is going to come till it touch in here. Also, we'll enter buy to upside, my friend. And by the way, if you see here, what it giving you? It give you that one, the first shoulder, the head, second shoulder, my friend. But as every time I tell you, all those things, it will broke, then from here it will go upward, my friend. Everything is too clear. You get the picture. So the levels we got, my friend, first level here, 131.754. Another level here, 130.110. Another level here, 129.395. Another level here, 126.572. Another level here, 124.674, my friend. Everything is too clear. So, let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. As you see, last week we used to be here exactly, my friend. It came down till here, to return outside, then it came back again. If you see here, you came here, and you came here. It's near to give you a small divergence, my friend. But my view is going to come down here to give you a more clear divergence like that. Then from there you enter buy to upside, my friend. If you want us when exactly we enter, you can join us in Telegram channel. You're going to find the link of it down in the first comment, my friend. As you see it now in the picture, go to it and join it before it's too late. Also making just for a certain number of people free there, my friend. I think everything is too clear till now, my friend. So that's it for the USD Japanese yen, my friend. The other pair we got is the gold, my friend. The gold last week we used to be here exactly. Gold is going to make a correction till here. And me and the people they follow me, we enter here from that level here exactly. That level 1796.83. We enter long from here, and here in that level we took 50% of our profit. Here exactly we took 50%, my friend. Then we move the stop here to the entry. The stop loss of us is being here. Now we move it here to that zone. Everything is too clear, my friend. What's my view to it? My view to it, it will continue till here, my friend. Till that level. Then from there, maybe it's going to drop, maybe it's going to continue high, because now the inflation is too high, my friend. And always remember it. At that level here, you always buy the gold, my friend. Everything is too clear. So the levels we got, my friend. First level here, 1932.59. Another level here, 1903.47. Another level here, 1873.65. Another level here, 1844.62. Another level here, 1820.25. Another level here, 1796.83. And that one is 1775.17, my friend. Everything is too clear, nothing hard, nothing complicated. It's very easy, my friend. You saw how also we analyzing those things. So let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. Also we used to be here last week. I told you from here it's going to go up. And as you see, also we spotted from here. So it's going to fall down till here. Then from here you enter buy to go up, my friend. And it's still here. So we spotted from that level here. It's going to fall down till here. Then from here it will go up, my friend. And the people they follow me in my Telegram, they know all those things, my friend. So that's it for the gold, my friend. The other pair we got is Dragon or British Pound, Japanese Yen, my friend. That one last week we used to be here. I told you from here it's going to go up till here. It go up till here, till that level here. Now it fall down till here. What's my view to it? My view is going to continue down, my friend. Everything is too clear, nothing hard, nothing complicated, my friend. Levels we got, my friend. First level here, 164.679. Another level here, 161.870. Another level here, 159.863. Another level here, 159.039. Another level here, 157.351. And that one here, 156.103, my friend. And that one, the last one, 154.476, my friend. Everything is too clear, nothing hard, nothing complicated, my friend. So let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. Also, we used to be here last week. Told you from here it's going to cancel up. Touch here the overbought area in that level. Then it fall down here. Here exactly. Then from here, what my view to it is going to continue down till here. Till the oversold area. Then you take in profit, my friend. Everything is too clear, nothing hard, nothing complicated, my friend. So that's it, our analysis this week, my friend. Waiting for our Bitcoin analysis in the middle of this week. We're going to put for you more analysis for the Bitcoin, my friend. So you support that channel by liking it. And also we're putting for you more analysis, my friend. Everything is free. We need to fight in that corruption in that world of trading, my friend. So you supporting that channel, and also we will support you, my friend. So see you in the middle of this week, my friend. Bye for now.